keep hearing the stumping and the gang stalking spying. They're trying to play at my steps and spy at my door. It's like almost 4 something in the morning, bruh. These people fucking dumb. They keep stumping, trying to get a reaction to hope that I stump back. Hear this shit. Watch, you gonna hear them trying to keep stump. Watch. They gonna keep trying to make noise campaigns. They're trying to noise campaign and spy. Watch, you gonna hear it. I'm inside my apartment chilling. Know what I'm saying? But watch, you gonna hear them trying to stump. They in the I'm in the top apartment. They in these apartments are separate. This apartment is separate from the attic that's cut off that they be trying to spy in. That's a part of this. That's separate from this apartment, and the apartment under they be trying to spy in the apartment under this apartment to try to get a reaction, stumping noise campaigns, saying stupid stuff out their mouth early in the morning, trying to get a reaction. They freaking dumb. But shall I say they fucking stupid. That's what I should say. But you know what I'm saying? Watch, you gonna hear them trying to stump. I'm just chilling. Minding my business like I do every day. They stop. They ain't trying to noise campaign because they know they being recorded now. They just was stumping a few minutes ago.